This remedy I'm going to share with you guys today will help a lot to get rid of your sunburn. If you have sunburn, this treatment will help to clear everything, unify your complexion, ease you of any pains and all that. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a way you can get rid of your sunburn using just one ingredient. Alright, so in case you are new here, you are welcome. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Alright guys, so let's get into this video. In this treatment, we're going to be making use of 3 ingredients. But the major ingredients here, the active ingredients, is yogurt. They are all active, but this is the major one. That is why I titled it Get Rid of Sunburn Fast using one ingredient. So these two, they are going to follow on, okay? They are going to make sure this works very well. So let's just go into this video. So you'll be needing a clean bowl and a measuring spoon. We're going to add our turmeric, and turmeric here is a natural anti-inflammatory that will help to get rid of sunburned skin. It will also help to balance and unify your skin very well. So this is a great antioxidant that will help to protect your skin. Yes, half tablespoon is all you need. The next one to add in is honey. So this is a natural honey, a raw honey. Raw honey is a natural antiseptic, help to heal damaged skin. So in case you have a damaged skin, sunburn, so many blemishes and all that, dark spots, raw honey will help to get rid of them. It's an antioxidant preventing your skin from sunburn and also give you a very healthy glow. So honey is a must in this remedy. So I'll be adding half tablespoon as well, just like the turmeric powder. And this is the last ingredient, is the major ingredient here. I'm only adding other 2 because I want it to boost the effect, okay? So yogurts are filled with probiotics that will help to restore your skin's natural barrier. It will help to heal and unify your complexion. In case your skin is not uniform, yogurt will help to balance everything, give you a uniform skin. If you have sunburn, this is a very perfect solution, like a fast treatment for you. Just give it like 3 days, all those everywhere will be cleared. Your body will be in uniform, and in case you have pains, this will help to relieve you of those pains. So these 3 ingredients here will help a lot to make sure everything works very well. I'll be adding 1 full tablespoon. Others are half tablespoon, and this yogurt as a major ingredient is 1 full tablespoon, and mix it very well. Just have to be careful because turmeric stains the skin, it stains garments, so you just have to be careful. But these ingredients are very powerful, so when applying it, you just have to be sure it's going to stain your garments, but it works very well, okay? You can apply this treatment any part of the body you have sunburn, be it on the face, under the eyes, your neck, your back, anywhere that is exposed to sunlight. Just apply it. It will help to easy return your skin back to normal. For those that don't know what sunburn is actually a type of skin burn resulting from too much exposure to sunlight. You can get affected with sunburn. So exposing yourself to sunlight increases the risk of having wrinkles, dark spots, and skin cancer. So, and those are very terrible. Skin cancer, wrinkles, dark spots, it's not good at all. It's not attracting, and the worst is skin cancer. So to get rid of all these things, you just have to be careful. Use a sunscreen when going out in the sun. Be careful, take lots of water. But if you have it already, This treatment will really help a lot to unify your complexion and all that. That is it, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.